Good afternoon, this is Emma. Come along with me today as I show you how I took a 75% off lantern for $6.25 from Big Lots and turned it into this. Okay, when I first purchased the lantern, I'm going to show you what it looked like when I bought it. And then I'm going to show you step by step how I went through to turn it into what you see now. So this is the before, which is, I'm hoping you can see that good. Let me try it again. Okay, so this is the before. It was just the lantern with the 3 candles in it. Nothing on it. That's what it was. Okay, so what I've done, I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased the garland for $1, as you see here. I went to the Dollar Tree and I also purchased these pumpkins. You get those 3 for $1. Now, the garland that I just showed you right here, you can see I wrapped it around the lantern. And you all are used to seeing that buffalo check bow. That ribbon is also from the Dollar Tree. And I just made a bow and tied it to the lantern. Okay, now the little pumpkins here, you get those 3 for $1. And they have little clips on the back of them. So I just clipped 3 on here. Okay, we all know about the 3s, right? So I clipped 3 on here. There's 3 candles in it. Here you see the chips. And I purchased these at Kohl's. And you get a big bag of them. I think it was $12.99. Of course, they have the fall scent. And I placed them in the bottom just as a filler. So let me turn it around for you. And here you can see this was $25 at Big Lots. But as I said before, I got it for $6.25. That was the 75% off. And this is the back. And this is really easy to do. You can do this with no problems. Just if you can't tie a bow, go and purchase you a bow at Walmart or Big Lots. The Dollar Tree may have some bows pre-made. I'm not for sure. The little pumpkins, again, as I said, I just clipped them on. The candles are already in the lantern. So I just put the batteries in it. Wrap the garland around it. And tied a bow on it. So this actually cost me less than $10. A DIY that anyone can do. So if you just have maybe a plain lantern, just the regular lantern, you can also just go ahead Put you a bowl on it. Buy you the garland, a few little pumpkins. Put you some chips in it to give it that fall scent. And you too have a lantern. Hope I've given you some ideas today on decorating your lantern. I want to thank the design team for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of the design team, I ask that you hit that subscribe, like, and comment, and come along and be a part of our family. I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed day. This is Emma, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.